cherished viewers, welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Mama call about Sandy Home Recipe. Send the dick I will share my video. Remember ring subscribe. Now what share? Best you see a bear Tuo Zaafi stew. Yes, started. Where assorted meat. What the all-purpose vegetable wet season begum. Salt to taste. All-purpose season. Meat season. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. We are now there. A soka cry de egum. What mixing in air together. Now the acoustic jar so annoying. Emre sisuru no aba wo de tomato atwitwa begu ade mu. We are now the bell pepper so yede aka ho. Spring onion so aka ho. Garlic. Pepper. Ginger. Rosemary. Onion. Anise. We didn't so kakra de aka ho. No wa blending it together. And now when I'm standing, I say we no say ni de ebe. Please, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new video I will post. Emra wona mti so no ne abaye for ye palm oil we be gu saucepan esija asum edope na wo de chop onion ede aka ho wache mo kakransa na ede ya to aso wo de tomato sauce ana tomato puree de wo na ede wo de begum na wa mix na we just so kakra ansa na wo de aka na ede ato aso. Aha no pepper mixture na we ye na we hwe de egum. One mixing it together. Na we just custom bebe time bia wo ho na wa check it de ahwe say de enhye. Na wa kohwe say wo protein no so aye ready ya. Enye ready ya. Na we just suwe ye fish and also e den wo de beka. Aha no aye ready na wa twe na wo de asi nche na wa kohwe wo stew no tem bia se wo numu se de ase e de enhye. Aka krama na be no na wo de wo stew spices eden egum. All pepper spices, salt to taste. One mixing it together. No just scrakranta na wo de wo protein eden abegum. Aha na ready na wo de wo protein na wo de sinche no. Wo de eden egum. Na wo just so kakra ansa na wa twe. Me pema cho se di kan a wo hwe me video a memma ring subscribe na wa share na wa like re me notification bell no se me di video bia beto wa won sa eden ebeka me ye we na me taste and it tastes really nice. O pepper now they are garnishing, but would be a fire den engum. I ready. No what train, no what serve. Unya wa yoyo soup, no Tuo Zaafi a. Ubetimi de aka ho edi. Now this our Tuo Zaafi stew. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.